It's 2 a.m. The night shift is in full swing. Suddenly a silence. One machine stops. A red light flashes. Every second it stays still, thousands of dollars evaporate. This is the ghost in the machine. Monday morning, 9 a.m. The boardroom is full. They're talking about 6-month projects, data collection, statistical significance, approval cycles. They're talking while the machine stays broken. In manufacturing, delay is a debt you can never repay. While management waits for perfect data, the cost of doing nothing climbs. $5,000, $10,000, $50,000, lost every single week. But here's the secret. The solution wasn't in that boardroom. It was already on the floor, in the hands of the people who touch those machines every day. They knew what was wrong months ago. They just weren't asked. This is where JumpStart changes the story. It's a different kind of meeting. No PowerPoint, no hierarchy, just the problem, the people who live with it, and one simple whiteboard. The first rule of JumpStart: we skip the paperwork. We don't spend weeks defining the problem because we already know what it is. We get straight to the why. Imagine the energy. An operator, a maintenance lead, a supervisor, and an engineer all in one room. No one is the boss here. The problem is the only enemy. Ideas start flying. Every perspective matters. But JumpStart isn't just a chat. We use simple Six Sigma tools to keep emotions from driving the bus. Fishbone diagrams, impact effort matrices. We separate facts from opinions in minutes, not months. This is the friction point. Most organizations are terrified of being wrong. They'd rather be slow and safe than fast and experimental. But in a JumpStart, we embrace the pilot. We don't need 100% certainty. We need enough evidence to move. And that's when it happens. The aha moment. The maintenance guy points at a sensor that's been vibrating for years. The operator mentions a setup step that always feels off. Something management never saw in their spreadsheets. Instead of ending the meeting with another meeting, we go to the floor. We test the solution. Right now, we don't wait for a capital budget. We use the resources we have to prove the concept. The machine starts, the sound of production returns, downtime disappears. In one afternoon, we've accomplished what a traditional project might have taken half a year to even approve. That is the power of a JumpStart. Why does this work? Because it trusts the expertise already inside your building. Great leadership isn't about having all the answers. It's about knowing when to get out of the way and let your experts solve the problem. But don't confuse fast with reckless. JumpStart is structured speed. It's about calculated risks on small improvements that compound into massive results. It's the difference between a speedboat and an oil tanker. Here is the vital warning. JumpStart is a scalpel, not a sledgehammer. If the problem involves customer safety, regulatory compliance, or millions of dollars in capital, stop. That's where you need the full structured weight of Six Sigma. Guessing there is dangerous? The real magic of JumpStart isn't just the fix, it's the culture. When people see that their ideas lead to immediate change, they stop being employees and start being owners. That's how you build an elite operation. Not every problem deserves a 6-month project, and not every problem should be solved in a single afternoon. The smartest organizations know the difference. They know when to analyze, and they know when to JumpStart. Operational excellence isn't built by luck. It's built one improvement at a time by the right people in the right room. If you're ready to lead differently, you're ready for the next level. Follow Six Sigma with Omar for more leadership and process improvement insights. Operational excellence starts here. I'll see you in the next episode.